He'll go over it.
That's a good idea.
It's got a bottom out.
That's gonna be sketchy.
Hope you're getting video of this. Yeah, see what that's coming in doing, Joe. That's okay.
That's not her good.
The back is going to be trouble. Oh. Jamie, back up. Aim this way. That's what will tip him over with. It will. That's the only way to make it.
Ready for this? Coming fast.
Yeah! Can't worry about shit like that. I got the picture right in there.